If you want to turn new subscribers into loyal customers automatically, setting up a welcome flow in Klaviyo is one of the most powerful things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an automated email sequence ready to engage every new subscriber. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Flows section. This is where you can create automated email sequences. Click on Create Flow. You can either build from scratch or use a pre-built template. For beginners, it's easier to select the Welcome Series template since it already includes a basic structure. Next, you'll need to set a trigger for your flow. Choose a trigger like List or Segment, and select the list where your new subscribers are added. This ensures that whenever someone joins your list, they automatically enter the welcome flow. Now, you'll see a flow builder with multiple steps. The first email should be sent immediately. Click on the first email block and design your message. Introduce your brand, thank the subscriber for joining, and tell them what they can expect. After that, add a time delay before the next email. For example, wait 1 or 2 days. Then, create a second email where you can share more about your products, your story, or offer a discount code. You can continue adding more emails to build a complete sequence. A typical welcome flow includes 3 to 5 emails that gradually build trust and encourage purchases. Make sure to customize each email with engaging subject lines, clear content, and strong calls to action. Personalization tags like the subscriber's name can improve engagement. Before activating the flow, test each email to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once you're satisfied, turn the flow from draft to live. Now, every new subscriber will automatically receive your welcome emails without any manual work. In this tutorial, we learned how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo by selecting a template, setting a trigger, designing emails, adding delays, and activating the flow. This helps you build relationships and increase conversions automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.